Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background within your videos on KineMaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and you can create any new project or open up your old one to start editing right away. Now from the timeline editing page, the initial screen will be blank and this means that your background will be a black screen as well. If you wish to add a background, tap on the media option and now you can choose from videos or images in order to add various kind of backgrounds. Once you have your desired background, you can simply tap on it and it will be added to your timeline. You can then go back from this option and this background has now been added onto your video. You can adjust the length and duration by clicking and dragging from the timeline, and you may also make various other adjustments such as pan and zoom within this background. After this, you can add your other videos on a new layer by tapping on the layer option. From here you can choose your desired media to add onto your new layer. After adding your media, you can drag and reposition as well as scale and rotate your images on top of this background. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your background on the KineMaster editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.